So in this particular relay, we have set the value of K3 is at 1, but theoretically it is given for the sake of calculation. It is maintained at K3, okay, at 0. So we'll on from here. First make sure that this has to be 0 position. So this is 0 and this has to be at 0 position. So here also it is 0. So your V and I variac both are at 0 position. Then we'll on this. Then we have to maintain the phase shifter at 0 degree, at 90 degree. So here you may see here that it is 90 degree. So we'll take first reading at 90. So we'll give the current, we'll set the current at 1 ampere. So this is 1 ampere. We have set our current at 1 ampere. Then we'll increase the voltage till 60 volts, and from the 60 we will reset our relay. Then we'll on the DC supply. So here we have on the DC supply, without which your so as far as procedure is concerned, adjust the position of the phase shifter at 90 degree and set the value of current at 1 ampere using the rheostat. So we have adjust this. So first we have to adjust the value of current at 1 ampere using rheostat, and then adjust the position of the phase shifter at 90 degrees. Then we'll increase the voltage around 80 to 90 volt, and then we'll gradually decrease it. So we'll try to find out whether the actual voltage at which your relay will operate. Approximately it comes out to be 30 volts. Then we'll increase or decrease the phase shifter angle by 10 degrees. That is, if we set at 90, if we take first reading at 90, then we'll go next reading in the lag side, we'll go next reading at 80 degrees, then 70, then 60 likewise. And in case of lead side, we will go by after 90 it is 100, 110, 120 likewise. Okay, so we'll go further. So this is right now it is set at 90 degree. So now we have given over here relay is resetted. Now we'll reduce the voltage. See here, I will reduce the voltage. So here you may see that your relay is tripped. So this relay is tripped at 25. So here I am going to write the reading at 25. So this is 25 volt. This is 1 ampere, which is fixed. Okay, so this is 25 volts. Right now we will increase the voltage 60 volts. Then we will reset it. Now we are going to change the angle, see, by 80 degree, okay, in the lag side. So we will maintain this at 80 degrees. Now it is 80 degrees. Now I am going to reduce by keeping current constant. Now we will reduce the voltage and we will find out at what voltage your relay will trip. So this is the voltage at which your relay is tripped. So it is 26 volts. So this is 26. Now I will again increase the voltage. I will reset. Then by keeping this at 70. Now I am going to reduce the voltage. This at 70. Now we will reduce the voltage and reduce up to the relay will trip. Here now relay will trip. So the voltage what we have obtained is 28. So this is 28. Now we'll try to maintain this at 60. We'll increase the voltage, reset the relay, then we'll decrease it. Now the relay is stripped. It is stripped exactly at 30 volts. So this is the 30 at 60 degrees. 30 volts at 60 degrees. Now we'll take final reading in the lag side, that is 50, and then increase the voltage. So here the voltage has been increased, relay resetted. Then we'll decrease the value of voltage. At this particular value, so this is around 31 volts. So this is 31 volt at 50 degrees. Now we'll go further on a lead side. So it is 100 degrees now. So this is 100 degrees. Now the voltage is supposed to increase. Now the relay is being resetted, and then we'll decrease the voltage. So at this particular value, this value is around 100 है क्या? So this is 100. Now we'll decrease the voltage. So at this particular voltage, it is being tripped. It is around 22,458. This is 28 volts. Then we'll set this as 110. We'll increase the voltage again up to 50 or 60. Then the relay has been resetted. Then we'll decrease the voltage. At this particular value, this is 30. Then we'll increase the voltage. We set at 120 degrees. Now the relay is being resetted. Now the relay is stripped. This is 32 volts. Then it is last reading at 130 degrees. 130 डिग्री पे सेट किया है. We'll increase the voltage. Relay is being resetted and decrease the voltage now. So at this particular level, it is 42. 42 is the actual voltage. (42) is the voltage at which your relay is being tripped. It is 43 actually. So 43 volts you will have. Then now we'll stop. We'll close the DC supply. So with these readings, you may able to find out the value of impedance, and after that you may able to find out the value of reactance, that is Z sin theta, then resistance, that is Z cos theta. So see here, the value of K1 is 1, value of K2 is 30, and value of K3 is 1. Thank you.